Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will be converting decimals to fractions. Decimal to a fraction. We have 0.25, or 25 hundredths. The 2 is in the tenths place, and the 5 is in the hundredths place. Let's create a model of 0.25, or 25 hundredths. We have 2 tenths and 5 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 25 out of 100. Let's write that as a fraction. 25 out of 100. 25 hundredths, because we're working with the hundredths place. We notice that we can simplify 25 over 100. We notice that we can divide by 5 for the numerator and the denominator. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. We notice that we can simplify even further. We can divide the numerator by 5 and the denominator by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4, 1/4. That means that 25 hundredths as a fraction is 1/4, or 1/4. We notice this is a fourth of 100. We can make another fourth, another fourth, and another fourth. 0.10, or 10 hundredths. We notice that we have a 1 in the tenths place and a 0 in the hundredths place. Let's make a model. We have 1/10. Let's write that as a fraction. We have 10 out of 100 pieces. 10 over 100. We notice that we can simplify 10 over 100 by dividing the numerator by 10 and the denominator by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1, and 100 divided by 10 is 10. 0.10, or 10 hundredths, as a fraction is 1/10. We notice that this is 1/10. Another bar would be 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths. Each one of these is a tenth, and we have 1. 0.75, or 75 hundredths. We have a 7 in the tenths place and a 5 in the hundredths place. Let's make a model. We have 7 tenths and 5 hundredths. Let's turn that into a fraction. We have 75 out of 100. We can simplify that by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 5. That will be 15/20. We can divide again by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 20 divided by 5 is 4, 3/4. 0.75, or 75 hundredths, as a fraction is 3/4. We notice that this model shows 3/4 of 100. Another fourth, and we will get to 100. So we have 3/4. 0.50, or 50 hundredths. We have a 5 in the tenths place and a 0 in the hundredths place. We have 5 tenths. Now let's turn that into a fraction. We have 50 out of 100. Let's simplify. We can divide the numerator by 50 and the denominator by 50. 50 divided by 50 is 1, and 100 divided by 50 is 2. That means that 50 hundredths, or 0.50, is the same thing as a half. We notice in the model that we have half of 100. 0.8. We have an 8 in the tenths place. Let's create a model. 1/10, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths. This time we only have a digit in the tenths place, so we will write 8 over 10, not 100. We notice that we have 8 out of 10. We can simplify 8 tenths by dividing by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. That means that 0.8, or 8 tenths, is the same thing as 4/5. If we separate this into fifths, we notice that we have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/5. 0.8 is the same as 4/5. 0.2. We have 2 tenths. Let's create a model. 1/10, 2 tenths. This time we're only working out of tenths, so we need 2 over 10. Let's divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 0.2, or 2 tenths, is the same as 1/5. We notice here that if we make fifths, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5, we have 1/5 of 100, or 2 out of 10. 2 tenths.